Valutrades. Welcome to this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, where we will look at the AUS200 Index, Aussie dollar, Aussie yen, the S&P 500, euro pound, and pound dollar. This is another critical week for Brexit negotiations on many important issues such as trade and fishing, so keep an eye on both euro pound and pound dollar, where the pound has shown recent strength. Also this week, we have two speeches by the Bank of England Governor Bailey and retail sales Friday. From the US, we have retail sales, building permits, new home sales, and coronavirus raging across the country. But watch for market movement with Joe Biden's introducing an employment plan and possibly selecting a new Treasury Secretary, maybe Janet Yellen, which may affect the indices like the S&P 500. Watch, of course, the US dollar majors, as this may affect the recent weakness we have seen. And speaking of Joe Biden, don't forget to register for tonight's webinar on the US election aftermath by clicking here. The Australian dollar has shown strength against USD and JPY, but watch for news this week on trade tensions between Australia and China, which will have a negative effect on the Aussie dollar and the AUS200 Index, which has not yet recovered from the coronavirus fall. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you tomorrow. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.